Good morning everyone, just a quick look round this morning. Having to move some timber about. Got people coming down looking at things. Got some birch boards here. Got that cedar, Japanese cedar, which is quite nice. Pallet full there. Got these big sweet chestnut boards. They're being viewed this morning. I think possibly 2-3 of those may be going, which will be good. Just come over here. So these are the sported alder boards. Got a gentleman coming this morning, collecting some of these. These are ready to go, I think, pretty much. Real nice pattern in these. Good variety. I think there's about 9 of those boards. Sported alder rounds. Small ones, large ones. Some Indian bean tree under there. It's the sported alder burr cookies. There's 2 of those. Under there is the burr tulip. More cookies. These are burr birch with a little bit of sporting to those, a few rock pockets. This is one of the ones that I put in the oven. And dried, so they're not so bad. Small birch, cherry, that's looking good. A few options in there. There was some oak somewhere. So another couple of pieces here. This elm board that may be sold. That's those burr brown oak planks. They're being collected this morning. On the shelf, whole raft of stuff. Cedar, elm, there's a few planks of hornbeam left there. Black locust acacia under there. More cookies. Some lovely sported ash, little doorknob bits. All a couple of quid. What else have we got? Hornbeam. They're quite nice. Quite big, heavy, useful for something. Some yew. I've got about 4 or 5 boards of that. And that will probably go in the kiln in the next couple of weeks. That's the burr brown oak that Carl was interested in. Beautiful boards. Beautiful boards. Another piece of sported alder. That's available. 12 quid, I think. Great colour. Big elm board. That's sold. Up there is some big sported sycamore. I've got to get those off the shelf actually, because they're going to be viewed later on. Pine cookies, nice little ones. Cherry boards and platters. Sported hawthorn, maple. A whole raft of beech cookies. Sported oak. They're pretty good. They're nice. Big stack of yew cookies. Some offcuts of walnut. Quite nice. 3 or 4 of those up there. Different pieces. Little cheese boards. And some more elm. A little bit of oak over the back there. Then there is some more walnut. And this is the quarter sawn sweet chestnut boards, which I'm about to pick through for a gentleman for a board which will go with his burr oak planks. So a bit of a busy morning, just sorting this little lot out. Hopefully that'll give you an idea of what we've got in stock, and then I'll get on and do some cutting a bit later on. Just going through this sweet chestnut boards here this morning. Got a finer board that the gentleman decided to mix in with his bit of oak, but not sure why. I'm looking at the screen here, and the chestnut's not showing a great colour, but it's lovely golden colour. And some of this can probably go in the kiln pretty soon, because it's very well air dried and dries real stable, as you can see. All quarter sawn boards. Bit of colour there. Let's come in a bit better now. Just that little resin table. Look at that. Look. Resin table. Absolutely ideal. Absolutely ideal resin table stuff. I might even keep a couple of these boards for myself. But anyway, there we go. We'll see you a bit later on.